Hello everyone, this video is for grade 9. In this video, I'm going to guide you how to prepare for PT1. You know that the portion for PT1 are real numbers, polynomials and linear equation in two variables. So in this video, I'm going to share few type of questions as well as few tips which will help you to prepare for PT1, right? If you remember in the class, in the last class itself, I have shared few questions with you, if you remember. So these are the type of questions. In PT1, as we are going to conduct the classes, as we are going to conduct the test online for the first time, and the question will be MCQ, so do not expect direct question. Do not expect direct question. That is the tip number 1. Second thing is that you can expect question which are in the integrated form. Now, what do you mean by integrated form? That is, I can mix two different subjects. For example, let me show you. If you'll see this question, the orbit of moon around the earth is shown in the figure. The coordinate axes are chosen such that the earth is at the origin. Choose the point that is correct for point P 4037. Now here physics and mathematics both are indulged, right? It's a combination of physics and mathematics. There are 4 options. P lies outside the orbit, P lies inside the orbit, P lies on the orbit and cannot be determined with the given information. This question is from coordinate geometry and you have to solve this question. So similar question you can expect in your exam. Another question, if you'll see this, we all know the long division, right? But as I said that the question will be MCQ type question in which I am going to provide you options. So definitely it's not going to be that easy, right? So we all know long division method, but the question you can expect like this. Here I'll give few options and you have to find out what is the value of A and B. For that you need to remember the remainder theorem. You need to know that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, and thoroughly you should know how to use long division method, right? So these are rest question are from different topics. These are just given as an example that if that question comes from that particular topic, then how to prepare for that. I'll be sharing the link of this file in the description part of the video. You can go through that. So students, all the way best. And also I have prepared a demo test paper for you all. This you can take it as a warm-up paper, right? As you can see that here, you need to fill these details first, and after that, when you this is section part 2. When you click on next button, this segment will appear in which there are 12 questions. This is section 2, and all question has only one solution. The guidelines are already given, right? So you can follow the guidelines and you need to answer all the question. The link I'll provide it in the description part of the video. I request each and every one of you to attempt the question, all the questions, right? Attempt all the question and see. So you can consider this as a warm-up question. The question I have given here are the very easy question. So do not consider this as the level of the question which is going to come in your exam. This is just for the warm-up. Later on, definitely I'll be sharing another set of test paper very soon with you before your exam, so that you can practice it. So it's just for the practice, how question going to come in your exam and how you're going to answer that. For that I have prepared this question paper, right? So all the very best. Please subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed yet, and find the link in the description part of the video so that you can give the test. All the best everyone, and if you have any doubt, if you have any queries, you know that I am available. You can drop a text in the comment box or you can write a mail to me. I am there to solve your queries. Take care.